There's been one recovery in the past 24 hours and one patient is critically ill. The Jamaica Labour Party is yet to confirm a candidate for the South East St. Ann constituency. This has led to tension as supporters are demanding that the former caretaker candidate, Dr. Ryan Simpson, be reinstalled as the party's standard bearer. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Earlier this week, the Jamaica Labour Party released a list of its candidates contesting the September 3 general election. Instead of 63 candidates, there were 62. Since then, persons have been asking, where's the candidate for South East St. Ann? Before the announcement of the election, Dr. Ryan Simpson was expected to represent the party. However, TVJ News understands that Mr. Simpson recently returned from overseas and breached quarantine orders.
Everybody deserves a second chance. Everybody make a mistake. Don't to Honorable Prime Minister, don't to you make a mistake.
The JLP is yet to issue a statement for why he was not added to the list. On Wednesday, our news team visited the constituency.
There must be another way out. Replacing him totally enable the situation. We already have fight. We're too close. Fear do this to it. No Ryan, no vote.
Please reconsider the Jamaica Labour Party. We need Mr. Ryan, Dr. Ryan Simpson. All right? No send nobody else coming around him.
The people defended Mr. Simpson and pointed to the work done in the constituency. They also bashed the current Member of Parliament, Lisa Hanna.
We want representation, not person for just when it's politics time you come around and issue out some chickens, issue out some zinc, issue out some stuff like we are not for that. We the youth especially, we don't in the dietedness. We are in for representation, and if we are in for representation, then I guess Dr. Ryan Simpson is the right person for that.
As the supporters await a formal word from the party, they're insisting they'll go further if their wish isn't granted.
Anybody you send and come, might as well you hand over the seat to Lisa Hanna because we are not with them. Fair. I thank you.
In 2016, the current MP Lisa Hanna won the seat with 8,056 votes to the JLP's Ivan Anderson 4,919 votes. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.